G'day, and thank you for purchasing your Marshal-Q spot sprayer from Rapid Spray. These machines are a 12-volt machine. You can get it without a hose reel, with the hose reel like the one here in the video, and the remote controlled hose reel that we call the Buddy. Going to give you a quick run through on how to use the machine. Obviously you've got a lid at the top of the tank. This is for filling with your water and your chemical. You've got a drain bung at the front of the tank, so if you need to drain the liquid back out, you drain it through that point. You've got your gun here on your hose clips and your hose reel, your 12-volt pump with the regulator and the boom outlet. So when you get the machine, take the kit out, it'll have your electrical cables with it. The first thing you want to do is just put 20 or 30 litres of water into the tank. Just take your electrical leads, they're supplied in the kit, and connect the end with the connection on the pump, and then run these leads with alligator clips off to your battery on the vehicle. This is commonly found under the bench seat in the UTVs, or obviously under the hood on a ute. So once you've connected the power source to your pump and you have some water in the tank, the pump will start automatically and run. If you've got your regulator knob wound all the way in clockwise, it'll run up to pressure and turn itself off on the pressure switch. So while that's doing that, just go over the machine quickly and make sure there's no leaks, make sure all the fittings on it are tight. Once the pump has built up to pressure and turned itself off, you're right to grab your spray lance and open the trigger. As you open the trigger, the pump will start to run again and you should get a stream of water coming out the hose. When you're spot spraying, this is where you want your pump set, right at the highest pressure so that the pump turns off, and then as you open the trigger, it'll just spray in what we call on demand. So to give you a demonstration on how the on demand works, as you pull the trigger, the pump will run, and then when you let go, the pump will turn off. And then to adjust your spray pattern with the lance, you just twist this brass nozzle. So as you open it out, it'll spray in a stream, and then as you bring it back in towards yourself, that'll turn more into a mist. On this particular sprayer, you've got the 30-metre hose reel. So once you've completed your spraying, there's a little locking pin just here on the side of the reel. So you pop that undone, roll the hose up, and then secure your gun over on the bracket at the back. Thank you for watching this video on the Marshal-Q. If you would like to know more about this product, or you would like to purchase one, please don't hesitate to reach out on 1800 011 000. We look forward to your call. Thank you.